Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel or delete your GoHighLevel account. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your GoHighLevel workspace. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you can access all your account configuration options, including billing and subscription management. Within the settings menu, you'll see another navigation panel on the left side. From this list, locate and click on billing. This section houses all your subscription details, payment history, and plan management options, making it the central hub for any account-related financial changes. Once you're in the billing section, take a moment to review your current subscription information displayed on the screen. You'll see details about your active plan, billing cycle, and any other relevant subscription data. Now look for a link or button that says "Want to modify or cancel your subscription" and click on it. This option is specifically designed for users who need to make changes to their current plan or discontinue their service entirely. After clicking that option, you'll notice a Show More button appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional cancellation options. This expands the menu and gives you access to the full range of account management tools. Next, you'll see a Cancel Plan option become visible. Click on this button to begin the official cancellation process. GoHighLevel will now guide you through a series of retention steps designed to understand your reason for leaving and potentially offer alternatives. A menu will appear asking you to choose a reason for canceling. Select the option that best matches your situation and click on it. This feedback helps the company improve its services, but more importantly, it moves you forward in the cancellation process. After selecting your reason, you'll be presented with an option that says, "I don't need a setup call." Click on this to decline any assistance calls. The system may try to offer support to address your concerns, but if you're certain about canceling, simply decline this offer. Next, you'll see another retention offer that says, "I don't want a discount." Click on this option to proceed. GoHighLevel might attempt to keep you as a customer by offering special pricing, but clicking this confirms you're not interested in staying even with reduced rates. Following that, another option will appear stating, "I don't need new customers." Click on this as well. This is part of the final retention attempts where the platform tries to highlight potential benefits of staying, but you'll need to click through to continue with the cancellation. Finally, you'll reach the last confirmation step that says, "I'm okay losing access to my data." Click on this option to complete the cancellation process. This is an important acknowledgement that once your account is canceled, you may lose access to your stored information, so make sure you've backed up anything important before clicking. And that's it, your GoHighLevel account is now canceled. You've successfully navigated through all the retention steps and completed the cancellation process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.